Hey, how we doing, everybody? Sorry about the angle. It's a little crooked, but you know, I'm in a tree and I can't fix it right now. Yeah, so I'm in my favorite tree of the neighborhood, right outside my house, where I live in nature. And I'm gonna keep it quick. A lot of you guys have been asking about my beard habits. Nature Man, how do you keep up your fantastic nature looking beard? And the key to it is, when I shave in nature, usually in trees. So I'm just gonna do a little tutorial to show you how I shave in trees. Well guys, the camera angle got a little messed up there because the wind blew. And right now, my iPhone 7 is actually only hanging off a thread, actually a mask thread with the little knot I tied. But anyway, here's Sweet Home Alabama on harmonica. Oh, look, it looks like some commoners are calling me down here.
Whoa, is that Nature Man in the tree?
Hey guys, how can I help you?
Nature Man, can you smile for a picture? I'm a big fan.
All right, sure, but I'm in the middle of a video. Hey guys, how we doing? I got out of the tree. My girl wanted me to get out of the tree. She was pretty pissed I was up there for so long. But beard looks good. Now time to trim up the chest beard. What better place to do it than the great outdoors? All right guys, I'm all shaved up, ready for the summer to basically come out of hibernation. That's what the hair was for. And here's my girl, Nature Princess, with her wild animal. Look at the camera. Smile like you mean it. Pretend we're going to get ice cream and you drop your comb on the floor. But then somebody buy you a new one.
It's not a very good story. It's not a very good story.
It's not a very good story.